My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Today, I'm going to teach you how to measure wet and dry ingredients. Now, the first thing we want to do is measure our dry ingredients. And I've got a cup measure, and this is a dry measure, and it has a flat top for leveling off. So the first thing we're going to do is take our flour, and we're not going to scoop right into the flour because it's going to pack the flour into the cup. What we want to do is just take a spoon and lightly place the flour right into the top. And we want it overflowing a little bit, okay? So let it overflow a little bit. Next, we're gonna take the flat part of a knife and we're gonna level that flour off. We want the flour to be aerated in here and not packed in. And then you will get a good measure on your flour. This will also work with any dry ingredient, including sugar. Now, the next step is to utilize our measuring spoons, okay? So what we have over here is just some pepper, and we are gonna very carefully pour that in there until it's nice and level. And you can flatten that off too if you like. Just flatten it off, make sure everything's level. There we go. And that will give us an accurate measure for all of our spices and herbs. Now, if you have a large container of spices like this, you might want to dip the spoon directly into the spice. So in that case, what you can do is dip it in and then again, do the leveling method just like this, so that you have an accurate measure every single time. Now, moving forward, we want to know how to measure liquid ingredients. So what we're going to do is take a liquid measure and place it on a flat surface. And this really helps because when you pour the liquid into the cup, if you're holding it, the line will move, but if it's on a flat surface, you can get a really good measure. So we're gonna take our water, I'll turn this around so you can see it. We have our ounces. So we can take our water and let's say we want a perfect 8 ounces or 1 cup. We can measure it just to the line, let it settle, and we'll know that we have an accurate measure. And this is how you measure wet and dry ingredients with the right equipment. My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Peace.